Whenever I say Among Us, it feels like I'm saying humongous. Like, I can't, like when I say it, it just sounds wrong. Hello, my name is Pauline and I do things. And today, like every other mid-20 something, I'm gonna play Among Us for the first time. Yes, this is a very original video. But you know what? Sometimes you just need a very easy to film video for your mental health. And man, has mine been on a roller coaster for the past like month and a half. We're not gonna get into it. We're not gonna get into it. This is gonna be a fun video of us playing Among Us. It still doesn't sound right. So I have not really watched people play this game other than Bethany Moda, but I had heard about it prior to that, and I feel like her and I are probably on the same level game-wise, because she literally said that she only plays Animal Crossing and Mario Kart, and same. But from my understanding, Among Us is kind of a cross of Animal Crossing, Club Penguin, and Nancy Drew. And that sounds like my vibe. So I am honestly pretty stoked for this. I went ahead and I downloaded Among Us on my phone, and we're gonna go ahead. Oh, there's a sloth. I love sloths. If you haven't seen my first YouTube video, it was about sloths. Oh, okay. Should I play local or online? I'm already very lost. We're gonna try to play local. Oh no. Just kidding. I'm not prepared for that. Online. Let's try public. Enter name. Oh. I'm just gonna put Polly. And then I hit public. Ocean? Okay, I get it. I have to be quick. All the games I'm trying to enter are full. Yay! Okay, I'm in a game. I'm turning up the volume. Okay, what do I do? Ooh, I can be orange? Two imposters. Okay, let's... Oh. I'm scared. I didn't see nothing. Okay, how do I vote? Uh-oh. They weren't an imposter. Okay, what? How do I do the things? This is really stressful. I don't know if I like it. This is like stressful murder Animal Crossing. This is my first time playing. I'm so lost. LOL. I'm gonna vote. Who are we voting? Purple? It says I got some tasks completed. We got an imposter, you guys. I really had nothing to do with it though. I am absolutely useless in this game. I don't know if I really care for the... I got a task done! I'm useful. I did it! Look at me doing things and being a protective member of our little virtual society. Oh, where am I? What is this? I don't know what I'm doing. How do I open the door? Who closed the door on me? Thank you for opening the door. Ah! The emergency meetings scare me. I don't know what to do. I don't know who to vote for. I'm sorry who I voted for because I don't know who to vote for. Were they an imposter? we got the second one. Wow. We killed it. Victory. I am so proud of us. Wow, way to go. We are icons. Okay, I think we'll play again now that I'm starting to understand. So I kind of get it. You have to run around frantically trying to get tasks done before you get killed. So it's kind of like life, just running around frantically trying to get everything done before you die. Oh, I'm in the black outfit now. I feel so chic. I'm an imposter. Okay, what do I do? What do I do? Oh, I'm so nervous. I need to find tasks or pretend to find tasks. I don't know what I'm doing. I just know I'm nervous. I love the little tippy tappies of the feet. I killed someone. I'm gonna be caught, aren't I? No one's found the dead body yet. Oh my gosh. I feel like I might actually be doing pretty well. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Do they know it's me? Do they know it's me? I'm gonna play innocent. So we do a vote? Okay, I'm gonna vote. I'm so nervous. Like, I'm getting sweaty, I'm nervous. No one voted for me. Oh my gosh. Am I good at this? Don't get confident. I can't get cocky. The last thing I need to do is get cocky. I think if I just am always ready to kill people, I'll be good. Oh, wrong. I'm still learning my way around. Honestly, I don't know where I am. Am I actually potentially good at this? Because, like, I'm going pretty far without getting caught. I still look very lost and confused for sure. I really am digging the spaceship decor though, like, cute aesthetic. Very Jetsons. I'm so nervous they're gonna figure out it's me. Oh good. Someone else killed a person, it wasn't me. Whew. I'm gonna vote. I won again! I'm so good at this game. I'm honestly, like, proud of myself though so far and really enjoy, in a sick and twisted manner, being an imposter. I mean, there's definitely something wrong with me, but I think I might play like another game or two. I think I'm gonna go with purple. Ooh, no, that color. That's my favorite color. And now we wait. Your boy just dropped in and he has a cool mask. I'm assuming you have to pay for all the cool accessories. I have no monies. El Chapo left the game. Sad news. Let's go do some tasks. La 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 la. I love doing things under pressure. I have no idea. I did it. I did a task. I am useful. Oh, there's a little arrow. I just realized there's an arrow. Oh my gosh. I'm like doing things. I am so productive. It's incredible. Don't know what that is. I found another task. Look at me. I had no idea. Okay. The tasks are very like non-explanatory. Is that the phrase? I think I'm gonna go with the person who actually called it, smelt it, dealt it. Oh my gosh. When you waiting for everyone to place their vote. 3 people voted for me. Rude. I feel personally victimized. Y'all suck. They do. Oh no, I can go all the way outside of the ship. That gave me actual anxiety. Oop, I can do tasks. Okay, so I have some purpose. There's only one imposter. I thought this would be a game of 3. Whatever, I'm just gonna go do my chores. And I'm busy taking care of things. There, I took out the trash. I am busy. Beep boop boop boop. I found another task. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I enjoy this game because I love me some productive stuff. I just be taking out the trash like it's nobody's business. How do I do this? Is that it? That wasn't as fulfilling. Looking for something meaningful and fulfilling. How does that work? What's that? That little blinky light. Boop, and I found another task. Beep boop. I don't want that. Oh, that's the map. I found that last time too. Okay, what are you? Okay, so I do that. I am really actually enjoying this game. You know, if I didn't have to worry about being murdered, I would like this game even more, I think. Wrong direction. How do I go over there? I'm trying. I'm just not good with the controls. I hope this is screen recording. Whoever the imposter is not doing a very good job because everyone is staying very much alive. They killed me. Oh my gosh, that one is a tiny little friend. Oh, I'm gonna cry. Oh. I'm a crewmate, but there are 3 imposters among us. This is a solid game to end on. I'm trying to find my goal in life. What am I supposed to be doing? I don't see a green arrow telling me what to do. Oh, there we go. Yes, I see my arrow. Oh. That was fast. Ooh, Spooky is getting voted out. Were they an imposter? They weren't an imposter. Oh my gosh. Still 3 imposters. This is spooky. Wrong way. Defeat? What the heck? I don't even know what happened. I'm not even gonna pretend that I know what happened. Oh wow, look at their cowboy hat. The fashion. Okay, I'm gonna go back on my business. I be doing my chores like a good girl. Is it this way? I'm so lost. Oh no. I thought I knew my way around, but it turns out I do not. Fix lights. How do I... Oh, I see the little arrow. I'm learning. Okay, what do I do now? Blue? But they have a cool hat. How do I unvote? I voted for the wrong person. I'm so lost. There's some shady business going on. One person's name is Riverdale. Oh wow, no one was ejected. That's never happened before. This is serious. Who am I and what am I doing? I'm having a hard time figuring out like what my tasks are because I don't know my way around here at all. I guess we're voting Zoomy out. I mean, they do have devil horns and that's very sus. They said prove it. I said, prove it! I was in the can. You don't have any evidence. This is like a legit argument. Mom and Dad are fighting. Oh, they're turning it into a whole thing. The people in this game are taking this very seriously. I want noodles. This is a pretty intense game to end on, to be honest. I feel like if I just stay where there's like many people that it's safe-ish, I feel like I'm gonna die. Oh, there we go, a task. I have no idea how to do that. I literally have no idea what I did and if it worked. I'm just letting you know, everyone who's a child still, that's what all of adulthood feels like. I don't even know what I did or if it worked. That's the perfect synopsis. It's fair to say this game prepares you for real life. I don't understand. So yeah, I still don't really get how this game works. Like, I don't know how we got defeated, like, because we didn't all die. I don't know. But it's fun, and I enjoy the murder mystery aspect to it, and the tasks that are both simple yet so confusing. Is it just me? It can't be just me. Definitely gonna play this more often. Like, I can see myself when I'm bored, like, sitting and playing this. But I hope you enjoyed this week's video. I know I did. That was very fun for me, actually. If you did, you know the whole spiel. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below everything I did wrong when I tried to play. And if you want to see next Sunday's shenanigans, subscribe. Yeah, that's all I got for you. I'm hungry now. Okay, bye. Go do your task. Don't get murdered.